little boy. Wow, look, a house. The door is opening. The boy is riding an elephant. Wow! A red elephant. Now the boy is riding a horse. An orange horse. This time it's a cow. A yellow cow. What animal will be next? It's a bear. A green bear. Now the boy is riding a goat. A blue goat. The next time animal is a donkey. A white donkey. Wow, this animal is called a deer. A dark blue deer. Wow, this is a hippo. A violet hippo. This time, the boy is riding a kangaroo. A purple kangaroo. What animal will be next? Oh, it's a tiger. A brown tiger. The last animal is called a lion. A black lion. Look, the train is leaving. So many colorful animals. Bye-bye.